Here we are asked to determine the tensions in AB and BC if the system is to be in equilibrium. So we have the forces are 30 into 9.81 downwards in this string, which is being balanced by the tension, let's call it TAB and TBC. So TAB we can resolve in the vertical and horizontal directions as this is the X component of TAB and this is the Y component. Now the X component, if this is 30 degree, since this is the adjacent side, the angle 30 degree has two sides, an angle is two sides. One is this, TAB. This is the adjacent one. The adjacent one will always be cos. So this will be TAB X is TAB cos 30. And this Y component is opposite to the angle. So it will always be TAB sin 30. Similarly, even for BC, degrees. So this is my tension in BC. So this angle has got two sides. One is taken up by TBC. So the other side will be your cos component. So since this is horizontal, this is the X component, which is TBC cos 40. And the opposite side, which is the Y component. So since it's a parallelogram, so the parallel side. So this is my Y component is TBC sin 40. Now coming back to our diagram, we have the X components will cancel each other. The X components will cancel each other and the Y components ultimately will balance the 30 into 9.81. So we have T X component of TAB is equal to the X component of TBC. Since both are in opposite directions, they will cancel out each other. If there is a net force in the horizontal direction, then the system will move in the horizontal direction. Since it does not move, it is in equilibrium. So the X components are cancelling each other. So we have TAB cos 30 equal to TBC cos 40. So we get TAB equal to 0.88455. And the Y components, so the Y component of TAB is in the vertically upward direction and of BC is also in the vertically upward direction. So it's the Y components which are being balanced by the gravitational forces acting on the 30 kilo block, which is 30 into 9.81. So I'll write the TAB sin 30 I know TAB is 0.88455 TBC. So if I substitute that over here, I'll get my TBC as 271.228 newtons and my TAB is 0.88455 into this, which is 239.915 newtons.